What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. That's right, the fitness you can eat. So, what are we making today? Well, it's a little unusual, but trust me, they taste amazing. We are making sweet potato breakfast quiche. I know, strange. But let's get started. Okay, so we're actually going to start with the crust. Now the crust is made up from oats and sweet potato, a little peanut butter. We're actually using peanut butter in this one, but you can also use almond butter. It's actually really amazing. So because you don't always have time, what I did was put the sweet potatoes in the microwave for a couple of minutes. The larger one that I had, I put in for 7 minutes. The other was for about 4 or 5 minutes. So I'm just going to show you, cut it open on both sides. This is just my way. There's no special technique for doing this. And then I'm just going to slice it down the middle. Et voila. Okay, that actually worked out smoother than I thought it would. That's great. Okay, then take that, chuck it into the bowl, and now just mash this up before I add in all the rest. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the peanut butter. I know what you're thinking, but trust me, this is gonna be great. Add in the peanut butter. Then just before it's done, I'm gonna add in the salt and pepper. Okay, now we're gonna add the oats. Actually, let's put all of them in there. So what we're looking for, don't spill it. What we're looking for is a we're looking for a consistency that is about to be crumbly, but it's still pretty stiff. You're looking for pretty much all of the mixture to be able to roll up into a little ball, or a large ball if you need it to do that. So this is looking pretty perfect. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit. I want to lightly grease the pan. Just add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom. It's just gonna help a little bit. You can also use parchment paper, which in my opinion would be better, but I don't have any parchment paper right now. All right, now we are going to add the sweet potato crust to the pan and flatten it out. Until we have something that resembles a pie crust. Try to get it as thin as you possibly can, maybe half an inch. About half an inch on every side. If you don't worry about it. It's not the biggest problem. Now, what I'm gonna do is put this into the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Take it out, and then we're gonna add the quiche part. Let's do that now.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so I just took the crust out of the oven and it's all ready to go. It's nice and firm. It smells really good. You trust me. Just trust me. Anyway, you gotta give this a try. I know I always tell you that, but it's true. Everything I make, you just gotta give it a try. Let me know what you think. And you know how to let me know? Very simple. Number one, leave a like. Don't forget to do that. Subscribe and leave a comment below. Also, hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. My hand's getting hot. So, that means it's time to go and eat some food. I will see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.